In class, we have been studying area, perimeter, and volume, and I'm just going to quickly re-explain how you find these. So, when we find perimeter, we want to remember that perimeter is the sum of all sides. So, if I take any shape whatsoever, if that's 2 centimeters, and that's 2 centimeters, and this is 1.5 centimeters, and that's 1.5, and this is 3. I would then say 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1.5 plus 1.5. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So my perimeter would be 10.0 centimeters. Remember, with perimeter, there is no little number up there. Now, if I want to find the area of a square or a rectangle, I'm going to say area is length times width. So if I have my rectangle, and this is 9 inches, and this is 3 inches, I would say area is 9 times 3. That is 27 inches squared. For area, you have to have that squared. Now, for area of a triangle, it is going to be base times height divided by 2. So, if I take my right triangle, and let's say this is 3 and this is 5, I would say my base is 3 times my height, which is 5, and divide that by 2. So 3 times 5 is 15. 15 divided by 2. Well, 2 divided by 15, 2 goes into 15 7 times. I can add my 0. 2 goes into 10 5 times. So my area is 7.5 inches. And once again, because it's area, I need that squared. Now, for volume. Remember, volume is for three-dimensional objects, and three-dimensional objects have a length, a width, and a height. So my length for this, we can say, is 6 inches. My width is 2 inches, and my height is 4 inches. So volume is length times width times height. So I can say 6 times 2 times 4. 6 times 2 is 12, times 4 is 48 inches cubed. So we're going to put the little number 3. And because we are doing cubed, or volume, it has to be that little number 3. So remember, perimeter, we add up the sum of all the sides. There is no little number for perimeter. For area of a square or rectangle, it is length times width, and we end up with inches or centimeters or feet squared. For area of a triangle, it is base times height divided by 2, and once again with area, we always have the little 2. And then finally, for volume, it is length times width times height, and we're going to have, because we're seeing how many little cubes we can put in a box, it is going to be the number 3 for cubed. Hope this helps.